Hello everyone. Today you are looking at a Premier 220 Sunscape. This is the new addition to the lineup in 2025. This is going to be the RF. So it's going to have those 4 chase loungers. This boat's equipped with a Mercury 115. Very well equipped boat. This is a twin tune. We'll hop on the top side, take a closer look. As we enter from the bow, you can still see those classic Premier lines and badging. We got that see-through gate even on the Sunscape, which is very nice. Cuts down on any barriers between you and the water. Lots of storage space under these seats as well too. All on metal hinges. Everything's nice and tidy there, easy to get at. Life jackets, towels, whatever you may bring with you. We've got some cup holders as well on both sides. Nice extended chase loungers here, and these really big deep seats. You can see it comes with a table. Got our poles in there, so plenty of storage space for all of the necessary items. We've also got our hidden storage compartment. So again, you get a lot of the core features of those Premier pontoons that make them so popular. We've got our Clarion audio system, so we got speakers in the front on both sides. At the helm, you got your classic tachometer and speedometer gauges as well, and we added a Humminbird in there as well too. Clarion audio head unit with our 12-volt and our USB and USB-C charging ports, so very well equipped. At the helm, our toggle switches as well too, and you get that power bimini, which is really nice to have. Captain's chairs have those nice high seat backs and those arm rests. At the back, more storage compartment in the back of the seat. Kind of a mirror image of the front. Lots of storage space, cup holders, making life really easy. And again, that Mercury 115 on the back here. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself.